The interest rate is a crucial factor when it comes to personal finance. And the key is how we use the interest rate on the money, either we borrow or we lend, regardless, doesn't matter. Don't pay interest. So it's a myth actually, because it's all about how we use it. Because think about this, if you borrow some money from the home equity with a 5% or even 6% interest rate, and then you lend that with a 12% interest in the investor market, that's a gain. So the thing is, the key here is have interest work in favor of you, not against you. So that is the key, because once the interest is working in favor of you, means like you are making money from the interest, or you are not spending too much money in the interest, you're fine. Like, is it a good idea to pay off the house mortgage where you are only paying like a 3% interest, if you financed it like a year back? So it's not. You rather use that money. If you have that money, you use that money somewhere else where you can make a better interest income. So bottom line is, when it comes to interest rate and personal finance, have the interest work for you, not against you. That's the message for today.